This picture-perfect salmon could have come from the wild or from a fish farm, but it was grown from a handful of salmon cells and cultivated in a lab at Wild Type headquarters in Northern California.
We've come up with a way to make salmon cells, and we combine that with a plant base. It's called a scaffold, which helps to give the cells the right structure to some of the cuts that you're familiar with.
As the world demand for fish and meat increases, some companies are trying to find novel ways to supplement existing supplies.
So our idea was, let's give them another option that doesn't involve putting added pressure on wild fisheries or continuing to rely on farmed fish.
Meanwhile, at nearby Upside Foods, taste tests were underway for these chicken bites, which were cultivated from chicken cells. They look and apparently taste just as chicken should.
Wow, that is chicken.
It's real meat that's grown directly from animal cells, so you don't need to raise or slaughter animals.
Ricardo San Martin, who runs the Alternative Meats Lab at UC Berkeley, says bringing cell-based products to the mass market may not be realistic anytime soon.
Scaling up just cells to produce meat, that's not feasible. We need to know how affordable this will be. This is going to be a solution for everyone or just an elite.
Alternative meat companies acknowledge that their concept is still a work in progress.
Let's make that first great product that can show what's possible with this technology, and then let's figure out every possible way to scale this up and get it as affordable and accessible as possible.
It's progress that is moving slowly, but could one day change how the world eats. Julie Tabo, VOA News.